Hey, what are you guys doing in there? Come on out, check this out. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. A lot has been going on. We've been crazy busy. But before we get started on what we're gonna do today, I wanted to read off a couple names of people that have subscribed to the channel here recently. So we have Amanda Gray, Renee Williams, Stacy Stafford, and Aubrey Odom. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I appreciate all the support. And let's go ahead and dive into this, you guys. As many of you know, I do tutorials on how to use like head candy products and tools, and I'm like obsessed. Recently, you guys, the blow dryer. This thing is called the BFF blow dryer for a reason. It's because it's gonna be your best friend when you're in a hurry. Ashardine has already tried to open this thing, so go ahead, open it, show it to him. Ooh, say it's very cool. It's very cool. You guys, look at the box. Like, look at the packaging. It's so pretty. Like, literally, if you wanted to give this to a gift for somebody or like any of their stuff, any of their tools, it comes in really cute packaging. Oh my god, like, you guys, this is really lightweight for a blow dryer, and for like as big as it is, it's very lightweight because all y'all know, like, blow drying your hair, it gets a little daunting when you have to hold up a really heavy blow dryer. So it's really awesome that they made this so lightweight. There's a hot cool button, so you can hit your hair with the cool shot by hitting this button. On the back here, it looks like there's a turbo switch for if you're really in a hurry and you really want to get your hair dry fast, but I have heard ladies say that it only takes like 5 minutes to get your hair dry with this sucker. So we'll put that to the test one of these times. You guys, so I got the cord all undone here. Take the little safety thing off. And I'm gonna plug it in. I just wanna see what this bad boy sounds like. See if it's loud, quiet, how powerful it is. All right, here we go. It's pretty quiet. And that's on cool, so that's the lowest setting right there. So the first one I was on is the cool setting. That's actually the second, and this is high. So it's pretty quiet for a blow dryer. That's high. And then we got turbo. So it comes with 2 attachments to put on the end of the blow dryer. Okay, so it does say that there's 6 modes, sorry. Turbo button and 3 heat control. Sleek design, smooth, lightweight. It's very lightweight, very true. So this one is the turbo mode right here. And this is going to concentrate the airflow so that you can blow dry your hair and it's a little bit more sleek and it's not going to be as just like blown like everywhere, okay? Maybe, there we go. So then it concentrates the air, so that way you can like point it down the hair shaft so that it makes it a little bit more sleek to blow dry. Okay, so this one is really cool, you guys. This is the pulsating nozzle. So it says a new drying motion that dries quickly into the scalp by dispersing strong air widely to the left and right. There actually is a thing in here that like goes back and forth. I don't know if you guys can see in there or not, but it actually will pulsate and go back and forth while you're blow drying. Let's see. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so get a glimpse of this real quick, and I'm gonna turn it on so you can see it. Did you guys see that? I don't know if you could see it or not, but it's kind of cool. I've never had a blow dryer like this. Okay, you guys, the Farmasi case. So this is my nice little makeup briefcase that I ordered from Farmasi. You guys, this thing is bomb diggity. Thank you so much. Look at this. Yes, I have a lot of makeup and I'm obsessed with the lipsticks. There you go. And Asher's showing you it has 3 modes for the light. It's got the cool lighting, the warmer yellow lighting, and then the white lighting. This is amazing. So if I want to do like at home, like makeup parties, anything like that for people, this is just really nice to carry all my makeup in and have people like try it on, and they can have their own little lighted mirror to try things on with. So nice and compact for that. This is not all there is, okay? So these lift out. Any of you ladies that remember caboodles, it's kind of similar to a caboodle. The light is chargeable, so it comes with your cord here, and then you plug it into like one of your phone charger things to plug into the wall or anything like that, and you can charge up the light. So these dots right here show you how much battery is left. Right in here. Those 2 dots, there's 3 dots for full charge. So the perk of being a beauty influencer, we have special little perks that we were able to get this at a discount if our personal volume was at like a certain number. And so it was just a nice little perk to be able to get this and be able to have this be a part of our business. So basically, if you sign up for the discount or to sell it, either way, you are able to get one of these cases. And the other color, rose gold, it's very, very pretty, but I'm just a very classic black, like my personal preference, but the rose gold is gorgeous too. So 2 color choices, just saying. Also, in this video, I wanted to bring up what I'm wearing today, my t-shirt, my jewelry. I have really been gearing towards like spring and summer. I'm like ready to change my wardrobe up. Hence like all the bright colors and everything. And I've been looking for a lot of t-shirts with like cute little sayings and stuff, but I like my t-shirts to be very comfy. I want it to feel like a nighttime shirt. I found this site, and so I'm gonna be talking more about a few things that I found. And then the jewelry, as always, my girl, Jen Kloberg, hit her up. But all of my jewelry, this is my only like older piece right here, but then this one, the necklace, the earrings, that's all from Jen. Each piece was only $5. Kind of cool. So we'll talk more about the jewelry that I received from her and the clothing that I found, because you guys are gonna flip over this boutique that I found, okay? Thank you for tuning in, you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Bye.